Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another vlog. In this vlog I'm going to show you guys my crockery haul and an amazing detox drink, and also I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day during my weight loss journey. So if you follow these diets that I'm putting up, like what I eat in a day, you will easily lose up to 5 to 6 kilos in a month. So do continue watching it and loving these videos. So for the morning detox drink you need very simple things from your kitchen. तो आप cucumber ले लीजिए, आप mint leaves ले लीजिए, and you take one lemon. So you prepare this at night and you pour all of these things in a water jar and you fill up the entire jar with water. Now this jar again I got from Amazon and it holds up to 2 liters of water. तो मैं ये रात को ही prepare करके रख देती हूँ. So with time what happens is all the flavors and all the antioxidants from cucumber, mint and lemon gets infused into the water, and after 5 to 6 hours or overnight you will have your amazing detox gut cleanse water. And I drink this one glass first thing in the morning. You will find amazing benefits if you drink this throughout the day. So this is the first morning drink I started having nowadays, and it just cleanses your gut, it makes your gut stronger, it has good bacteria, it just overall detoxes and also of course helps with belly fat. So if you have been following my previous what I eat in a day, follow this with some chia seed water or jeera pani that I had shown you. So along with those drinks I drink this like a normal water throughout the day, sip sip करके एक एक glass में पी जाती हूँ. Next for breakfast I'm going to have 2 whole eggs, like a poached sunny side up karke I'll have it, and of course not forgetting my black coffee. So in the morning I'm a bit of a hurry, so I just take my instant David of coffee that I have kept in this ceramic jar. इसका link मैंने Amazon पे दे दिया है. Check out my kitchen tour vlog if you haven't already, उसमें सारा details and descriptions है. So I just have my black coffee and this detox drink in the morning, and that just wakes me up. It's so amazing, and just try it out. Have your black coffee, you can add a little bit of ghee also to it, and I'm just going to sit and enjoy my coffee in the morning. So I had just received my house of ceramic parcel, and I had ordered some very cute crockeries from them. They were going on sale, so I thought of picking up a few things that I wanted for a long time. You can get these in local market for cheaper, but jana nahi hua, so I just ordered it online. So mostly I got attracted towards these Instagram, Pinterest worthy stuffs. So I have seen a lot of these sort of saucer and cup, like heart shape, और ये जो cloud की तरह दिखते हैं, it looks super cute. So it's mostly coffee because I drink a lot of coffee, so it's mostly this heart shape cute cups with the saucer and with the plates along with it. And also I got some snack plates and some ceramic bowls, really nice. I just wanted to replace my entire crockery to ceramic and clay china instead of using like plastic, so this looks so cute. You should definitely check them out. This cherry snack bowl is super duper cute. I'm going to have my evening snacks like makhana and puffed rice in this one. It's damn cute. And look at this plate, guys. This sleeping panda and white plate. And the quality is top notch. So check them out. I will leave the link in the description box. And they retail for around 500 to 600, some 700 rupees, around that price point. I love this sea green bowl too. It's more like a serving plate. You can serve like pasta and chicken curry and stuff like that in it. And look at this nazar na lage bowl. Overall, absolutely love the whole ceramic vibe that's going on. Let me know if you guys liked it. Next, of course, for mid morning, I'm going to have my watermelon juice. Summers में मैं usually watermelon juice पीती हूँ. I just like it. It's very refreshing on the go. लंच आज का बहुत सिंपल है. Little bit of rice, little bit of chutney that my mom made, like tomato chutney with lots of spices, some bhindi, some sukha chicken, and some chicken gravy, like full on Bengali food. So I'm just going to go and get my nails done. Last time I had shown you guys all the entire process of how to get your gel nails done. So एक महीना हो गया, it has outgrown, so I'm just going to go and get it fixed and get a new set of nails. So come along with me. If you haven't watched that blog, please go and check it out. उसमें मैंने पूरा process आपको दिखाया था, how you remove it, how much it cost, and what is the whole process and how long it takes. इस बार तो मेरा एक nail break भी हो गया, so I have to go and get extension. Otherwise, I usually do it in my own nails. So this time I thought of getting this Korean blush nail. It looks very stunning and natural, and that is Claire, the owner. She is stunning and she does my nail with absolute perfection, and this is how it looks. Let me know in the comment section how you guys liked it. मैं घर जाके दिखाती हूँ आपको कि what it looks like. ये मैंने Pinterest से देखा हुआ है. So this is how it looks. It looks very natural, blush pink with थोड़ा बहुत sticker मैंने लगाया. It took me like around 2000 rupees. Yeah, around that price point. They are amazing. This place, check them out if you're from Calcutta, okay? Now it's time for my coffee machine wala coffee. तो सुबह मैंने instant coffee पिया था, so I thought now let me have some more karak coffee from my espresso machine. So I just take one shot of espresso and mix a little bit of water, warm water with it, and look at that. Doesn't it look like a milk coffee, but actually it's the foam. और शाम का टाइम हो चुका है and look at this trees outside my house. It's like blossoming and it's feeling so good and calm. So I'm just going to enjoy my coffee in the balcony without any phone, without using any gadgets, just me time, spending some time looking at the nature. Now for dinner, I'm going to try this new keto noodles that I just saw somewhere. This is the shirataki noodles from Moisha. It's made out of konjac root. It's Korean. You just have to take it out, drain it, wash it nicely, and add some veggies and sauces and just cook it. Okay. Now the best part about this is, of course, I'm on a diet, and if you want to lose weight but you want to have something like chatpat and you're bored of having like soups and salad, you can try this recipe out. Blinkit पे आपको मिल जाएगा. This 250 gram of noodle cost rupees 200. It's high in fiber, only 6 calories, 1.8 gram of carb. You can add it to a soup, you can make it like dry noodles, whatever. So I'm just going to chop some red peppers, some yellow bell peppers, and you can like put whatever veggies you like, some onion, garlic, chili. Fry it all in like 1 tablespoon of butter, and you can add olive oil also. Like just add whatever vegetables you like. I'm going to add lots and lots of garlic and chili because I love that Korean flavor, like very hot and spicy. And also I'm going to add some tofu. You can add paneer also, but I wanted to add tofu and try tofu out because why not. So butter and oil me, I'm just going to fry all the vegetables. So first you gotta put your garlic in, and then put your onion and chili and fry that because that takes time. So fry the onion and garlic together till it's nice and brown, after which you can add your bell peppers or whatever veggies you like. Add them. Once the onion is done, then add your green chili and fry it all very nicely. It just takes about like 5 minutes, after which you can add your tofu. And of course you need some salt, some black pepper, some green chili, like basic masala, nothing so like complicated. ये सब आपको अपने किचन में मिल जाएगा. So add like 1 tablespoon of each of the masala and salt to taste. Fry it all in, like very simple. Even if you don't know how to cook, guys, you can make this. It's that simple. Now to this I'm going to add the gochujang. This is a secret ingredient. It's a chili paste, like a Korean chili oil paste. I heard it's very tasty and spicy, so I'm trying it all for the first time. Okay, this noodle, this gochujang, everything, it's optional. Of course you can skip the gochujang, but you can just add your chili sauce and red chili and green chili sauce and vinegar and just cook like an Indian Chinese. This gochujang had a little bit of that fish oil smell, which I didn't like. It was kind of a little sweet. Like I expected it to be more spicy, but it turned out to be really sweet. But overall, I really love this dish, guys. Try it out. It's keto. It's like weight loss friendly. If you want to have something nice and chatpata, you can try it out for dinner. Everybody enjoyed it. It was very similar to the noodles, and I did not expect it to taste good, but it was actually very nice, although it's diet. And if you guys want more such weight loss tips, what I eat in a day video, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.